Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can actually join the creator fund or get verified on TikTok. So first of all, what I need you to do is go to your mobile. So don't use your PC or anything else. We need you to be on your mobile. So what you need to do is install first your TikTok application by going to App Store and then search for TikTok. So as you can see, here it is, TikTok. Make sure that is on the latest update, so I will update it very fast, as you can see. And yeah, make sure that you are on the latest update so we don't miss any options. So we might have different options or different settings, so in order to be in the same page we need to be in the latest update. So now I'm updating my TikTok on the latest update possible in order to be fine with you guys. So now let's talk about the requirements before we talk about the verification system of TikTok. So what TikToks need you to be is 18 years old and have at least 10k followers on your account, and to be from one of these countries, which is the USA, UK, France, Spain, Germany, or Italy, and have at least 100k views on the last 30 days, and then to have an original account or original content. So you don't steal content from other people, you don't steal like videos and re-upload them on your account. It is 100% original content. So after you have all of these requirements, what you need to do is go to your profile or your TikTok account, and from here let's click on skip, and let's skip all of that. And as you can see, here is my account. So what I'm going to do is literally I'm going to here, and then from here I'm going to click on settings and privacy, and from here I go to account. So first of all, here what I will need you to do is click on this switch to business account, and here you click on next, choose whatever category you want. So let's click on any random one, and then here you put your email address, your bio, and you are now a creator. So let's create now, and let's close this. So now after you do that, it must show you later on. If we clicked again here and we want to create or settings and privacy, and after we have the same the same requirements that we talked about earlier, you will have here an option which is go to or join creator fund. So after you have it, click on it, and then you have to fill some information about you, and then after 2 or 3 days they will analyze your account and give you the creator fund verification. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.